white bitch. I'm a fucking white bitch. I'm a fucking white bitch. I'm a fucking white bitch. So, this is my going away video. Me and you not gonna have? Damn, you fucking pussy. So yeah, as y'all see, they dyed my fucking hair. I look like a I look like I'm about to go to Hot Topic and cut myself.
God damn.
Yeah, it happens every once in a while. I'm a fucking white.
Just gonna eat your popcorn, huh?
I want some popcorn. Slut.
Got this bitch smelling like butter.
Got the butter.
Son, I met this girl. They said, forgot her name. It was at a party. Oh, no, it was at a bar. My mom took me. My mom took me to a bar for my 18th birthday.
Fire.
She said, they call me butter. I said, why? She said, because I spread easy. I said, God damn. See, you spread it? It's my water.
Walked up in the club like what up? I'm in my overalls.
Boots on, so what we dipping? I don't want soul. Huh? But you gotta try it. I got it so he can try it. And I've been having to dip on this shit because I love all my shit. That's my shit. With the shit. What you got, whore?
I just showed the fucking camera. God
Yeah,
damn
but
it.
I didn't get to see you come waffle. Grizzly dick face?
Yes.
Okay. We're back, bitches. I know. Just try it. You can have it. I'm gonna do the grizzly.
No.
Come on. You gotta try it. This is the first time trying soul pussy. Huh? You lied.
Because I always look like my mouth is dropping.
What am I gonna do? Fuck.
Dip it, it don't matter. Fuck.
Yes, it does.
Me and you blood.
No.
You shit dry.
No, you see, I really can't do this. Can't do it. Shit. So what you think of the skull vagina? The skull vagina good?
How you doing? The fuck you looking at, bitch?
I want some pussy. Oh, oops.
Sorry, Layla.
Layla's a feminist.
I gotta put up.
Alright. Nigga, no. He's about to mix this shit.
I'm about to mix it.
Hey, that's the only can you got? Was it in this can? No. Shit balls! Sorry. No, we're professional. It don't look like it.
That's how it works. The other can I threw. Just dip the shit, you fucking pussy.
You're a pussy. You're dipping skull. You fucking cocksucker.
It's still rolling.
Well, who's gonna hold it while I'm putting it in? Sexy.
Shut up, bitch.
Fuck you, you cunt.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck's playing, but I'm about to change it.
Yo, fat ass eating popcorn.
These damn fat bitches these days, all they do is eat, sleep, and shit and fuck cocks.
So, did you show them what you got in one of your videos? The spit to me?
So, I was helping. Oh shit. Okay. I was helping some people paint, and they found this metal thing. I didn't know what it was. They were about to throw it. And I looked. It's the old school brass spittoon. Never been used. It really does. It's pretty cool.
And since he's going away,
Yeah, it is.
since he was going away, he was gonna let me hold it because he's going away for about 5-6 months. I was gonna hold it for him and use it in some videos. Hey, God damn. Lost my train of thought. That ass had me. Yeah, he's gonna let me use it. I was gonna put in some videos and hold it for him until he gets back.
But I forgot it.
He forgot it. Smacking. No balls.
Don't do that.
That's what Jacob says.
I hate Jacob. Jacob, bitch ass nigga. Fuck you.
He said something. Kim said, fuck you. Jacob said, no balls. So what the fuck?
Hey, little boy, get to that dick, that thick dick. The thick ball. Look at the thick ball. Get it, ball. Oh, get ball. Get ball. Go hit her. All right, so while I'm going, he's going to try to keep the channel going. I don't know. He's pissing me off. I might delete his videos. I mean, if I have to, I have to.
We might also... don't shut up. We might also rename the channel. A possibility, we might call it, what was it, Crazy Cajun? We might call it that. Because I mean, since we live in Louisiana, it's going to be easier for us to make videos instead of having the one guy from Tennessee with no videos. So, it might be just, y'all leave it in the comments. I don't care if y'all want to keep it or change it to Crazy Cajun. Or just Wolf and Byrds. Dead man. What you think?
Put it up to her to be dildos on wall.
Double dicker.
Double dicker, you double dicker. But we're gonna do some clips for y'all. We might go ride around. We don't know yet, but we're gonna let y'all know. But we'll be right back.
Hit the 4 lane.
One more thing. I got really pissed off last night. Lady Gaga and Metallica.
Oh yeah, I seen you did an Instagram video on that.
What the fuck? I lost all respect for
Oh, I have
Metallica.
something to after you go for it.
Damn, I spit too much. Why? It's like dropping a full drive. It's retarded.
Exactly.
Alright, you can go.
I don't know if y'all watch Outlaw Dipper. If y'all do, y'all might have seen one of his recent videos where he did.
Outlaw. Drop it to your knees, man.
He did a video on, what was it? Snuff that you can snip. So, it's called Tropical Orange Snuff. And you snort it. And I'm trying to get my hands on a can of that. So
No, it came in like a little.
it's a small ass can. But I'm trying to get my hands on that.
That'd be fun.
I was so good.
For my home pass. I mean, for my family day. But yeah, YCP. They're gonna shave my head and shit. That's why my hair is all kind of colored right now. Like, I'll just let them do it. I mean, fuck it. I'm gonna miss my hair though. But whenever it cut, I'm gonna just grow it back out. I don't know what I'm doing yet.
Put a dick on your forehead so you can get it all off.
Oh my god. But we're gonna see what Mike's up to. We'll be back again. Are you ready to die?
Ready to bust a nut all over this fucking ceiling.
You ready? We're about to die. Oh, look, Mama's fried chicken, man!
Open the door.
Open the door? Okay.
No, the other one. The car was about to open the fucking door.
Oh.
Now her.
A tractor in Opelousas. Hello, man. How you doing? You want to suck
You
my
don't see that
dick?
shit often.
Hey, fuck you, you school bus.
You gotta get her reaction though when we do it.
Oh, okay. Well, we're about to die.
We'll get it, car. Hop that bitch.
It's official. We're gonna commit suicidism.
Suicidism. I got a Caucasian.
We're gonna commit suicidism.
You heard that shit? This nigga said I got a Caucasian. I said a concussion. He said no, nigga, Caucasian.
Whoa. Well, I got 2 Caucasians right here.
Well, Chinese back there.
Oh shit.
My shoulder.
Chinese pussy, man.
That's sideways shit.
Oh shit.
It's not like this. It's like this.
whatever. That'd be weird. Then they have a girl born with two fucking vaginas, and it's like, what the shit?
There was a girl, I saw it on the news that she didn't have a vagina. So she gets pregnant by fucking in her ass.
The fuck, man?
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe, I'd have to see. I'm looking this up now.
You'd have to see it.
I want to see this.
I heard on the news, they didn't show, I mean, of course they're not going to show pictures, but.
Damn.
You can look it up on the internet.
Layla's probably already looking it up.
No, I'm not.
She said, I don't have a vagina. How do you know? How do you find out?
I was born vaginaless.
You're facing the way of her.
Man, look. No, I'm not, man. Why? Man, look.
She's just.
They got this dangling right here.
How did she come?
Hello, Layla.
Both the handles.
You better get it forward, actually. Put it right here in the middle. It's coming up right here.
Bam, perfect.
You got it?
Yes. Dude, haul ass right now. Fuck that stop sign. Fuck that stop sign. Fuck that stop sign. Come on. Fuck the stop sign. Go, go, go to the floor. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey, Jesus, take the wheel.
Jesus, take the wheel. Come on, let's ghost ride. Come on, come on.
Let's go ride.
Skirt.
You better do it.
Let's ghost ride, son. I'm doing it, son. We're ghost riding. And it's on video. So.
Oh, she don't know what ghost riding is.
Wait for me! I got little legs.
Not even.
No, actually, it's supposed to stay completely out of the vehicle and just let it go,
Yeah.
but we're kind of like in the middle of.
See, your ass was back here.
I can see you. What the fuck just happened?
I should have. Fucking Mike, that old puss.
Look at that little cunt's house.
I hit my arm on that fucking door hard. Shit. Ah, look how fucking red it is.
Oh my god!
Ow! God damn.
Does it feel bootyful?
Ow. It hurts like it stinks like a bitch.
Why does it stink? Oh, it stinks. The pussy smell like tilapia, but it tastes like candy.
Better eat ass like catfish, huh?
You eat ass like catfish, boy?
That's Layla's job.
Fuck no, why you eat it like ribs, boy? All over my face.
All over my face. That's too much sauce. That's too much sauce. Layla said that's not enough sauce. I gotta let it hit the ceiling.
Oh shit. Let's go see what Michael's bitch ass is doing. Beat that dick!
Look at this shit. You fucking spit.
Oh shit, I'll wipe it. Wanna say something to the video, Mike? What you doing? What you making? What you building? What you got, new bearings?
Yep, brand new wheel bearings.
You're gonna put a high booster motor in here.
Oh, my back.
One more slipper off.
Huh? No, I got the kitchen window open.
Okay.
Well, we're going to smoke crack. See y'all later.
Oh god, why are you doing this? My balls are tickling.
I'm putting it in the video. That's why. I gotta edit this shit earlier.
Oh my god.
David! Chill the fuck out.
Oh god, no.
Oh shit!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think you ain't gonna be as good as the first one.
You don't know me.
Alright, so this bitch over here complaining about angles, but she's about to like bust her head. This nigga's about to like, she's gonna
Did you
slap
have
me.
your seatbelt off the whole time?
No,
Oh, I
I
thought
took
you
it off
just
so I
clicked it
could
back.
switch.
And
David,
this-
you gotta.
Let me get in the back.
Come on, let her get in the back.
Let me get in the back.
Let her get in.
Yeah, David, you stay with her in the back.
Oh god.
Oh, shit balls. She gonna punch me in the throat when we jump. Fucking bitch! Bow! Ugh. Oh, by the way, you cannot put on a seatbelt.
What?
No seatbelt.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hurry up.
Oh shit. Oh shit. This one's bad. This one's bad. This one's real bad. Oh shit. Oh fuck. 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 Oh shit. It didn't even do.
Oh my
the other
god,
way.
I fucking broke my back.
It's the other way. Hold on. We gotta redo.
Yeah, we gotta.
Take two. Take two. Oh shit. I might put on my seatbelt.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
You do this one with no eyes.
Yeah, dude. No eyes and no hands.
Oh, this bitch is going slow.
Oh, and we gotta pull the brake fluid
Oh
out.
my god.
Oh, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh,
Oh
let
my God.
him go. Back up. Well, no, you can get up there pretty fast.
I'll get up there.
Okay, so we're about to die.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh fuck!
My hat came off and everything.
My head and my nuts.
Oh, my back.
Alright.
God damn, she catching no orgasm over here. Oh, my back!
Get the fronts.
My hat came off.
Hi!
Oh my fucking
Pumpkin
back.
spice.
My neck. My back.
You heard?
My pumpkin spice.
Leave her, leave her. Oh.
He gave it to lever.
Pumpkin spice. Are we doing it one more time?
Oh god, no.
I gotta go back that way.
Yeah, we gotta go back that way. So keep it rolling. Okay. Oh shit balls!
Fucking hell.
Fucking hell.
Now you're British?
Fuck hell.
Oh bloody hell!
Oh my
My
god.
cunt slapped me in the throat.
My neck. My back. Hold on, I'm gonna see the mailbox.
See if his titties bounce. See if his titties bounce. Come on.
Oh my god.
Chill.
Come on, Andre, take your shirt off.
Take it off. Oh god.
I was about to just swerve.
Take it off. Can you fucking move?
I was saying, get the fuck out the way, you fucking.
Fuck out of the way.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Oh my back. My back.
Oh, that one was better actually.
No, it wasn't.
No, not better than the second time. It's better than the first time. No.
Oh, this one.
See, if I could do this in the back of my pasture with the big ass hills on it,
Oh, dude, that'd be badass.
I used to ride my neck back there.
I like to suck dick. Well, this is my last time on here for fucking 6 motherfucking months. Shit. Well, Layla, Andre, I'm gonna miss y'all, you fucking cunt niggers.
We're gonna miss each other.
How'd you know I have a gun?
I watch you in your sleep, daddy.
Damn!
Oh god.
And this is where I grew up at. Sunnyvale Trailer Park. That's my dad. What the fuck, dude?
fuck?
Damn, they got a whole bitch walking in the middle of the road, ball running over ball. I was saying, bitch, what the fuck? When the hell she got titties? What the fuck? How long have I been gone?
She kinda got ass too. Okay,
Nigga, she's like 8, nigga.
Shit, what?
I swear to Jesus.
I'm going to hell. Alright.
Oh, it's still rolling.
Yeah.
Alright, goodbye, Jesus. I mean, people, dippers, dickers. Goodbye, you double dickers!
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, I need you to hand me my shit.
Oh,
Shit.
Yeah.